Okay, so I'm testing out the Sony A7IV on my laptop. So this is connected using the USB streaming portion of it. So basically you can output your video from the camera over to your computer. And in this case, I'm seeing how it looks and also how it sounds. Right now I am using the Sony A7IV built-in microphone. And then I'm also going to see how it sounds using the earbuds or whatever microphone that you have connected to your computer to see if it's any different. Okay, so now I'm using the microphone through the computer. So in this case, whatever audio device is plugged into the mic jack, in this case it is my earbuds along with the microphone. And then finally, I'm going to try this out with my Rode Video external microphone as well. Okay, so now you've heard the different audio quality coming from the camera just using its internal microphone, and then secondly using a microphone plugged into my computer, in this case my earbuds with the built-in mic, and then finally using my Rode Video Micro. And in this case it sounded best using my Rode Video Micro, and also the type of microphone that you're using in your computer would definitely be a big difference because this is a cheap microphone. But in this case, if you already have an external mic, I would highly recommend just using that if you are going to be shooting video through your laptop. So that is my recommendation. And in terms of the overall video quality, this still looks amazing. There's no lag at all with plugging this into my computer, and I had no issues. I simply plugged it into my USB port on my camera and then plugged that into my computer and then open up OBS and everything works just perfectly.